Welcome to Ruckus, Mayhem, and Madness, where we strive to motivate. And if you're watching this, I'm on the scene of a massacre. I'm just trying to motivate you and show you what it looked like to cause ruckus, mayhem, and madness. I want you to ask your baby mama, what's 2 things she don't like about you? I bet you she gonna tell you because you don't do enough and you ain't got that car off them jack stands yet. I think that's what she'll say. You ask your baby mama, go to her. Say, hey, baby mama, call her and say, hey, baby mama, what's 2 things you don't like about me? I guarantee you she gonna say, because you don't do enough and you ain't building that car. Oh my God. The seatbelts cost more than your rent right there. Let's just point out a few key details. Okay, we got salmon on the paint. Listen, that's salmon. Salmon on the paint. We got 38-inch Brazilian bust down on the wig. I'm just trying to show you and motivate you because you got to have your wig done. Don't you want a bad bitch? Don't you want a bad bitch? You want a bad bitch, but it all take money. It take money. You got to have some money. I don't think that bitch wants you if you broke. That's salmon right there. I don't know if you had baked salmon with that teriyaki sauce on it. That's salmon right there. If you see this thing in person with them rose gold Dayton's on that motherfucker, you hear me? Good God. I'm on the scene the first 48. It's a body out here. Yeah, it's a body out here. I'm just trying to show you somebody killing something. Somebody's really dead.
He's real verse. Look, you see what's in it? He's real verse. Don't, nigga, big look. Oh!
Oh, you got my keys? Oh, you got my keys?
You about to call?
Hello. Yeah. So where you at? All right. So what you come?
If I die tonight, then I read the red. If I die tonight, then I read the
The Burt gods contacted me and told me to tell you somebody that ain't got a Burt and no money on needs some motivation. We got a teriyaki salmon Burt right here. You hear what I'm saying? With the broccoli, the asparagus, all the extra amenities that's needed to cause ruckus, mayhem, and madness. I want to motivate you and show you how to reach for the galaxy. They say when it rains, it pours. And I know you've been crying because you want a Burt. You don't deserve a Burt. He got the teriyaki sauce on the Dayton's. Oh my God, I'm in the same boat. I ain't got no money to get a Burt. I ain't got no money to own no Burt, but I know I'm gonna get one, but I gotta motivate you because you be bullshitting. If you put that motor that he got inside this salmon teriyaki Burt in your ass, I bet you will get your priorities done quicker. You see all this wetness on this right here? Them real people tears that came out their eyes on this car right here. Why? Because they wish they can only build something this gorgeous of the magnitude that it is. Oh my God. See, if you take the motor out of this here Burt right here and put it in your ass, you will get your shit done a lot quicker. You bullshitting around. You ain't prioritizing what you need to do. Teriyaki sauce on the wig. 38-inch bust down Brazilian now, part to the side. He go flour dough guts on the top. He go flour dough guts on the inside. Then he went teriyaki sauce on the dash. Then he also went teriyaki sauce on the door panels. Flour dough guts with salmon paint and a teriyaki wig. Seat belts cost more than your car payment. It's gonna take some money on. I don't know what else to tell you about it. Oh yeah, man, appreciate it. Definitely, thank you.
Keep doing your thing.
For sure.